Ever wonder why mosquitoes seem to have a personal vendetta against you at every barbecue while your friend is chilling, bite-free? Spoiler alert, it might have something to do with your blood type. Yeah, those tiny vampires might be picking their victims based on what's flowing through your veins. Today, we're diving into the wild science of blood types versus mosquitoes. Why do they prefer some people over others? And can you actually outsmart them? Stick around, because this is going to get juicy. Mosquitoes aren't just annoying, they're picky eaters. Scientists have been studying why some people are mosquito magnets, and blood type keeps popping up as a key factor. But before we get into who's on the mosquito menu, let's break down the basics of blood types. There are 8 main blood types: A, B, AB, and O, each with a positive or negative version. About 38% of people have O positive, making it the most common, while AB negative is super rare at just 1%. These types are determined by proteins, called antigens, on your red blood cells. But here's the kicker. Mosquitoes might be sniffing out those antigens like a chef picking the best ingredients. Studies, like one from 2004 in the Journal of Medical Entomology, found that mosquitoes are way more attracted to people with type O blood. In controlled tests, type O folks got bitten almost twice as much as type A folks. Type B was somewhere in the middle, and AB? Well, they're not exactly mosquito catnip, but they're not off the menu either. Why does this happen? It's all about chemical signals. When you sweat, your body releases chemicals tied to your blood type. Type O people secrete more of a specific sugar molecule called H antigen. Mosquitoes? They love that stuff. It's like waving a neon all-you-can-eat sign. Type A folks produce less of this signal, so they're less likely to be targeted. But blood type isn't the only factor. Let's dig deeper. Okay, so maybe you're type O and thinking, great, I'm doomed. Not so fast. Mosquitoes are like creepy detectives. They use a combo of clues to pick their target. Your body odor, skin bacteria, and even how much CO2 you exhale play a role. Fun fact, pregnant women exhale more CO2 and get bitten more. Sorry, moms-to-be. Here's where it gets wild. A 2019 study in Nature showed that mosquitoes can smell your blood type through your skin's chemistry. But if you're type A, don't start celebrating yet. If you're sweating buckets or wearing that one cologne mosquitoes can't resist, you're still fair game. And get this, some mosquitoes, like Aedes aegypti, the ones that spread dengue and Zika, are pickier than others. So, are mosquitoes just blood type snobs? Kinda. But let's put this to the test. We rounded up some volunteers with different blood types to see who gets the most bites in a controlled backyard setup. Spoiler, it's not a bloodbath, but it's close. Our brave volunteers are sitting still, no repellent, just pure mosquito bait. We're counting bites over 10 minutes. Who's gonna be the mosquito buffet? Let's find out. Wow, type O plus got hammered with 12 bites. B had 7, AB plus got 5, and A plus, just 3 bites. The science checks out. Type O is mosquito candy. But here's the thing. Our O plus volunteer was also wearing a dark shirt. Dark colors attract mosquitoes more than light ones. So it's not just your blood type, it's the whole package. Now, why does this matter? Mosquitoes aren't just annoying. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue, and West Nile. Knowing you're a mosquito magnet can help you take extra precautions, especially in high-risk areas. So, what can you do to fight back? First, use repellents like DEET or picaridin. They're like kryptonite for mosquitoes. Wear light, long-sleeved clothes, even if you look like a safari guide. Fans can mess with their flight path, and get rid of standing water where they breed. Oh, and maybe skip that extra garlic bread. Some studies say garlic might help, but don't bet your skin on it. So, whether you're type O getting swarmed or type A living the bite-free dream, mosquitoes are playing a complex game of chemistry and biology. Your blood type might make you a target, but with the right moves, you can outsmart these tiny vampires. Next time you're at a picnic, maybe check your blood type and your outfit. What's your blood type, and are you a mosquito magnet? Drop it in the comments below and let's share our best bug battling tips. If you loved this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science that bites. In a good way. See you next time.